There's certainly a feeling of accomplishment when you harvest something you grew with your own hands. Just 4 days ago, I harvested greens and here I am reaping another batch. It's no secret that the key to healthy plants is healthy soil, and the best way to improve soil is by incorporating compost, which can take up to a year to make. When I first started composting, I realized how time-consuming it was, not to mention the physical effort you put into to turn it regularly. It puts a lot of toll on my back. I found that bokashi is a fast composting method, cutting the wait time to as little as 10 days and creates product that's even higher in nutrients than traditional compost. I just add kitchen scraps to the bucket in 2-inch layers, sprinkling a small handful of bokashi bran over each layer and resealing the bucket tightly between additions. When the bucket is full, I drain the produced liquid from the spout every couple of days. I dilute the tea in a ratio of 1 to 100 and apply the highly nutritious solution to my garden soil to increase plant vigor and yield. I avoid direct contact with the foliage. If I'm not using the tea, I just simply store it in the fridge.